Welcome back to Jannitto's channel. Today, we are embarking on a wonderful journey of planting one of the most profitable crops grown in Kenya, and that is tomatoes. Sit down, relax, and grab a notebook not to miss any point. Start with certified, disease-resistant, high-yield tomato seeds. The right seed is the foundation of a successful harvest. In nursery beds, prepare fine, well-drained soil in a shaded area. Sow the seeds evenly and water gently. This method is common for large farms because it allows many seedlings to be raised at once. Seedling trays are ideal for controlled environments. Place one seed per cell in a soil mix. This reduces overcrowding, makes transplanting easier, and helps seedlings grow uniformly. Tomato seeds can also be started in pots or small containers. This method is suitable for small-scale growers or home gardens, and it allows easy monitoring of each plant. Grow bags or poly bags are another option. They are portable, conserve space, and are especially useful in urban or greenhouse farming. Tomato seeds can be sown directly into the soil, but this method is less common. It often leads to uneven germination and higher risk of pests. Most farmers prefer nursery beds or trays for better control. Now see, my seedlings have grown. We can now transplant it on our farms. Prepare your farm with deep plowing and fine soil tilth. Tomatoes thrive in well-drained, fertile soil. Plant seedlings at the right spacing, about 60 centimeters apart, to allow airflow and reduce diseases. After planting, what will determine whether your plants thrive or struggle is if you take good care of it. The moment you finish planting, water immediately. Pour water slowly and directly at the base of each seedling. Next, mulch right away. This locks water and blocks weeds from growing. Prune side shoots and stake plants to keep fruits off the ground. This improves airflow and reduces disease. Grafting can protect against soil-borne diseases and boost yields. It's an advanced technique, but worth learning. After flowering, ensure steady watering and add potassium-rich fertilizer to encourage fruit set. Remove excess flowers so the plant channels energy into fewer but larger fruits. Tie plants loosely with soft material to support heavy fruit clusters. This prevents breakage, keeps fruits upright, and encourages abundant, healthy harvests. We've planted, mulched, watered, pruned, grafted, and cared for the crop after flowering. Have you understood everything taught today? If yes, you're ready to grow profitable tomatoes. If you didn't understand everything, don't worry. Go through this tutorial once again. Start planting today and you'll see the rewards. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more farming guides. Together, we grow and prosper. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.